Hi, everybody. My name is Umed. This is Ola, my co-founder. We are from RealtyBits, a Palo Alto-based fintech company. RealtyBits uses blockchain to put the alternative assets on the immutable ledger and to simplify the investment experience in those alternative assets. We make it simple for anyone to invest in those alternative assets, which is a $60 trillion industry in the United States alone. Again, we make it simple for anybody to invest in alternative assets. Anyone includes financial institutions, family offices, or even retail investors. Our solution is secure, scalable, and compliant. Most importantly, our solution reduces overall costs by more than 90%. Let me show you just a piece of what we do, which is an investment allocation invite by the deal sponsor and investing experience by the limited partner or the investor. Every offering on RealtyBits gets its own unique shareable deal page. It has all the information that an investor needs. They can ask questions directly to the sponsor, or they can set up a meeting to ask more questions. It has all the highlights that is a part of the offering package when the deal is created on RealtyBits. An investor simply goes to their private admin dashboard, selects the asset, and sends an invite to a specific investor, entering the specific asset allocation amount. In this case, let's just make it $25,000. And by the way, this is a live deal. I will make a $25,000 investment in this deal using my retirement account. I select an email method so I can personalize it. In this case, I'm going to use RealtyBits. I can add a personalized note. There's a default text that could be used. And send the invite. It takes a couple seconds for the invite to process. The investor gets the invite on their end. This is how it shows up on my email, along with all the highlights of the deal. I click on the button, and I log into my investor account. This is my investor account interface. I click on the offering page, and as an investor, I see that I have a $25,000 allocation for the Betula house, which is an offering. So Betula house itself is an offering, is a current live offering based out of Washington, Seattle, Washington. It's an opportunity zone investment. For most of you may know this, opportunity zone investments are tax-free. The capital gains are tax-free after 10 years. So I take a look at this. I've already talked to the GP, or I just like the deal, and I click on the subscription button, and I process my subscription. The deal room is capable of handling payments and all the signatures for the offering deal. So the entire signature package gets loaded first. I subscribe to it, and then I submit my capital. Submit my signature, and print my name. And we can add a lot more places there to entering information. My telephone number, and that's it. And I confirm my subscription. When I confirm my subscription, I am buying ownership units in this particular building in the opportunity zone for $25,000, which means I get 2.5 units of ownership in this building. Now, this transaction went through, and the investor gets to see my allocation that I already paid. The sponsor said Umed Latifov IRA has already paid $25,000, and then the sponsor countersigned. and confirms the transaction. So why is this important for banks and financial institutions, for you guys, for this audience? Well, first of all, the core feature of our product is payment processing. We provide blockchain wallets that can be integrated with investors' bank accounts directly to handle any fiat currency transaction, US dollars, euros, Canadian dollars, any kind of fiat currency, as long as the bank has the capability of processing that currency. We can process it on our end. Those wallets can also handle deposits and withdrawals. Secondly, we provide your private wealth management clients access to a highly desirable asset class, which is alternative assets, which are in very high demand these days. Thirdly, our transactions are high value. Average transaction on our platform right now is about $215,000. Number 4, we enable you guys to acquire new customers or to retain your existing customers, because everything is done in a silo for every client that we service. Lastly, alternative assets is a $60 trillion industry in the United States, which is mainly being invested in by very large financial institutions. We open it up to a lower tier investor base, which could mean a big opportunity for everybody involved. To summarize, we make alternative asset investment simple. We provide blockchain wallets that can be compatible with bank accounts. Thank you.